you little raptors. I am Josh at Random bringing you Dinosaur Kisses by David Ezra Stein. After being in an egg for some time, Dinah hatched out. There was so much to see and do. She tried this and that. Then she saw a kiss.
Aww.
She decided to try that next.
Who can I kiss? I will kiss you. Whoops,
Said Dinah.
I will kiss you. Whoops,
Said Dinah.
I will kiss you. Whoops,
Said Dinah.
this time, if I'm really, really careful and I only use my lips, then I can do it. I will kiss you.
But she ate him.
Whoops,
Said Dinah.
not good.
Dinah went back to her egg to think. Then she heard a noise.
Hello,
Said the baby. Dinah said,
I will kiss you. Let's kiss.
said the baby. Dinah said,
Kiss is this.
the baby said,
Kiss is this. Kiss.
the end. Thank you all so much for following along. If you like this and other read-alongs, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks, and have a dino-rific day.